Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the device so location sharing can stay active. First, make sure the phone has power and network access, otherwise background updates will fail. Then sign into the account you'll use and enable a secure lock so the OS allows persistent background location. Open Settings, go to Location Services, and turn location on. This grants the system permission to record coordinates. Once done, you'll move into app-specific settings to allow continuous updates. You now give the app explicit permission to run in background and use GPS. Open the app's permissions screen and choose Always for location access so it can update when you're not actively using it. This is essential. Make sure background app refresh is enabled so the app can fetch and send coordinates. Next, disable battery saving or auto kill rules for that app. Otherwise, the system will suspend location updates. Finally, allow motion or activity access if the app asks. This improves accuracy. You finish by locking in persistence and knowing how to fix issues. Periodically check these settings after system updates because updates can revert permissions. Relaunch the app to confirm it registers as active. Watch for the location indicator to ensure GPS is being used and check any in-app status or logs. If sharing stops, reboot the device, then reset the app's location permissions and reselect Always. If necessary, reinstall the app to clear corrupted settings and restore continuous sharing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.